Welcome back, everybody. I'm Brandon, and this is the GOAT in my eyes, PB3, and we got a race to 6. First one to 6 strikes today is going to bring it home. Let's get right into it.
Really? That quick?
Good?
You're ready to go? You're ready to go. Go right ahead.
That was perfect.
Ah! Did you see that already? All that hook and power, 9. Must have sat too long.
You know, the older you get, the more time you need between shots. All right, we're 0 for 2.
See, my head pin doesn't come back over at Mach 6 or 12, whatever you want to call it. But it didn't have to do any damage because the damage was already done. They're down.
All right. That's a little bit better. All right. All right.
2, 1. I must admit though, those 2 shots you threw out of the gate, that was pretty impressive. Even though the best you were going to get was 9 spare, 9 spare.
Yeah. All right, hey, we got a chance here.
Yeah,
we have a fighting chance. All right.
Can't give him an inch. It's 2 to 2 now. Just not fair.
That is fair. That could be 5 in a row, but I got 3.
Little adjustment off the 6-pin, and well, it wasn't exactly the way I wanted it to go.
You know what they say? That's a lead change. 3-2.
Yeah, I get it.
Get you some of that.
Should have been 9.
All right. Proper strike.
See, all down at once. I didn't have to wait for any flying pins to come over to get them.
All right, nice shot. Still losing.
Down 4 to 3. It might take a little extra work. And luck.
You got nothing to say about that one.
No, I don't. I can't say. When I said luck, I meant luck for me.
All right. Nice shot.
So what is the score now?
Currently 5-4.
Wait, whoa. Put your ball down. I'm going first this time.
Oh, you want to go first? All right.
Absolutely.
All right, you want to put the heat on me, huh?
You don't think you're just going to get up there and have a cakewalk and go through it?
He's going to need this one. Looks a little left.
You know, for a second, I thought that was going to go high. Oh, it did. Trip 6. That would be 5. Go ahead. I know. Ball in hand.
Yep.
Put a little heat on him. Crumbled like a pretzel. That would mean now it's 5 to 5. Would you like the first one?
I'll let you go first. You know, only considering you went first last time and got a little luck, so you might.
I'll let you go.
Oh, you want me to go first?
Yeah,
All right.
5 to 5. This is a big shot.
Oh. Go ahead. Come on, say it. There it is.
Oh, not there! Need that one to go. I don't want to give him another chance.
That's close. All right, don't miss. Don't miss.
Had my chance to shut the door.
Don't miss. He wanted it. He gets it.
All I could do is get it to wobble. I can't even get it to fall.
That's a good match. You know, you really brought it way closer than I thought you would, but.
Yeah, well, I was trying there. You know, when you give me an inch, I'm supposed to jump on it. And unfortunately, I couldn't capitalize. So then the door swung back your way, and well, I gotta admit, you did it. I have to give you a lot of credit.
Yeah, so I sent it home. But all right, that's gonna wrap this one up. If you like what you saw, here's some new merchandise. I like the sweatshirt, and it's a winning sweatshirt. Create your legacy, bohnlegacy.com for all of our new merchandise. That's gonna wrap it up. I'm Brandon. He's Parker. The GOAT in my eyes, but not the GOAT today. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Take care, everyone.